Alright, I'm really going to challenge myself with the international economics videos. I'm going to explain each concept in just 2 minutes. So, absolute advantage in 2 minutes. What's absolute advantage? Basically, a country has absolute advantage if it can produce more of a good or service using the same resources, or in other words, produce the same amount of a good or service using fewer resources. What are the sources of absolute advantage? Where does it come from? It comes from countries having different factor endowments. They're endowed with different quantities of capital, labor, and land, and different levels of technology. Here, for example, you have two countries, France and Italy, and they both produce just wine and cheese. Now, obviously, this is unrealistic, but let's assume. You can see that France can produce more wine than Italy and more cheese than Italy. So here we say France has an absolute advantage in the production of both products. So here's another example. Assume the United States is producing both books and clothes, and these are the quantities, and China is producing both books and clothes. You can see in a no trade scenario, the United States and China are both making 1,500 books. And in a no trade scenario, the United States and China are making a total of 3,000 clothes. But say, for example, we assume that each country is splitting its resources in half for books and half for clothes. If China focused on clothes where it's better, China would make 4,000 units of clothing. And the United States, if it focused on books, just books where it's better, it would make 2,000 books. And these are the benefits of specialization in trade, or what we call the gains from trade.